Hello again. I'm going to attach a video that was posted on September the 7th, 2016. Today is September the 7th, 2016. And it's part of InfoWars.com. And you'll hear what the narrator says. Hillary Clinton was on the Breakfast Club. It was a live radio show. And this is her third attack, her coughing attack in 3 days. Yeah, she reaching water, I need water. Third attack in 3 days. Now, that's the third attack we've seen. Can we assume that it isn't just when she's in front of an audience that these attacks take place? So how many does she experience in a day? Can you imagine her trying to participate in a debate? The woman is going down like an express train. She needs to go to a hospice. She needs to be cared for. And the DNC are whipping her like a mule. And eventually she's going to drop. I mean, this is the third coughing attack in 3 days that we're aware of. Her Secret Service agents must all be horrified. Can she not realize that she's not going to be at the finish line? Listen to her hack. We're going to see a whole lot more of this before she probably slams her head into the dais as she collapses. Folks, I don't make the news. 3 attacks that we've seen in 3 days. How many haven't we seen?